today I'll show you how to flip torn collar of a man's shirt. I'm going to flip this torn collar and going to reattach it to the other side. So first, I've taken out the collar from the shirt and flipped it over. And now I'm attaching the two ends, putting pins in a way that will catch the back of the shirt as well. Trying to adjust the collar in between the two ends, we have to attach a couple of pins on each side first, and then go in the middle, attaching the pins. Always check the back, that if you're catching it, so when all the pins are in place and the collar is well attached on the shirt. I'm going to stitch starting at one end, and I'm going to leave a little bit of space from the side because there is a button underneath, so I'm going to start. So I'm starting 1 inch away from the end, going back and stitching, going all the way to the other side, taking out the pins as I go. Coming to the end, I'll take out all the pins. When I will end, I'll back tack and make the collar secure at the very end. Here, I'm finished. Now, I'll check the back I can check that everything is intact. Take out extra threads, cut them. Now I'm going to turn it over the other way and stitch it from this side. So now the button will be at the very end and it will not bother my presser foot to go over. And finally, this is the end of your collar. You have to give it a good press, turn it over and flip over. Now your collar is ready. For more sewing videos, like, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching today's sewing video.